Hi, and thanks for joining us. Today we'll be unboxing both the Living Lean 5-day and the 15-day Natural Detox and Weight Loss kits. Let's get started by first taking a look at the 5-day kit. As you can see from the front of the packaging, the product is alkalizing, gluten-free and dairy-free. It's also nut-free, GMO-free, is 100% organic and vegan or vegetarian friendly. We have a directions of use on one side of the box, a full ingredients list and nutritional panel on the back, and a detailed description of the contents on the final side of the box. Alright, let's break the seal, dive in and take a look. Firstly, we have the Living Lean Starter Guide. This contains all of the information required to maximize results while on the program. Opening the booklet, we have the Quick Start Guide for those who want to get started immediately. This guide shows how to mix our sachets, how to use the pH strips, and explains the nutritional requirements. The nutritional requirements indicate that all food is to come from the approved food list and should be consumed in a soft, mashed or pureed state. As we flip through the booklet, we have some general information regarding the program, things to expect, things to avoid, and some general information behind the program. We then have the meal plan that provides examples of what you can eat over the 5-day period. Now please note, this is just a guide. You don't have to eat this way. If you want to create your own meals and tailor meals to your own tastes, then feel free to do this. This meal plan is only for those who do not want to get creative in the kitchen and want to be told exactly what to eat. The following page provides a shopping list for those foods found in the meal plan. We then have some recipes. The Living Lean website contains additional recipes which are available for free download. We then move through the all-important approved food list. These are the foods that you'll consume for the duration of the program. As you can see, these foods are predominantly fruits, salads, and vegetables. You can eat anything you like on the program provided it comes from the approved food list. And finally, we have the frequently asked questions for you to troubleshoot any issues that you may have whilst on the program. The next item found in the kit is the water wand or ionizing stick. When you're ready to start the program, remove the wand from the plastic packaging, rinse it underwater for a few minutes, and insert it into a drinking bottle. The wand will remain in your water bottle for the duration of the program. Just ensure that you give the wand and bottle a wash with fresh water after every litre you consume. The role of the water wand is to remove acid from the tap or bottled water you will consume. The wand will be effective for up to 6 months, so you can continue to use it even after completing the program. The small green box contains 20 sachets of the alkalizing formula. You'll mix 1 sachet to 1 litre or 33 ounces of water and repeat this 4 times a day. To do this, simply take your empty drinking bottle that has your water wand in the bottom and empty the sachet inside. Add approximately 150 to 200 ml of tap water, replace the lid and shake until the powder is mixed thoroughly with water. Then fill the drinking bottle to its capacity, mix again, then consume. Next up, we have the pH strips. The strips are used to measure the alkalinity of the body and ensure that the Living Lean program is having the desired results. To use the strips, you simply take one to the bathroom and wee on one end. Immediately compare the reading to the chart included with the strip packaging. You'll complete this pH test daily. Your pH level will continuously move around over the course of the day. The goal, however, is to have a reading of 7.4 or higher by mid-morning on day 3. If you don't achieve the pH reading of 7.4 or higher by day 3, you'll have to add the pH booster. The majority of people will not need the booster, however it's included as an insurance policy for those with high levels of acid and toxins within their system. If you do require the pH booster, you'll add 1/4 teaspoon of the booster along with your sachet to every 1 litre of water that you consume. If your pH still doesn't increase after 24 hours using the booster, consult our website for further instructions. It's important to follow the pH booster directions carefully to ensure we maximise results. That completes the unboxing of the Living Lean 5-day detox and weight loss program. The 5-day and 15-day kits are exactly the same except for the amount of supplies contained within the kit. The two differences are the number of sachets contained. The 5-day kit contains 20 sachets, while the 15-day kit contains 60 sachets, and the size of the pH booster vial. Obviously, the 15-day program will require more pH booster for those who require this. So there you have it. Whichever program you decide to purchase will provide everything required to get you started on the road to good health, well-being, and rapid sustainable weight loss. Just remember that the program is not a magical pill, it requires commitment. If you commit to the program, you'll be rewarded with fantastic results as seen in the testimonials found on our website and social media platforms. Living Lean is available for purchase at livinglean.net.au and on Amazon globally. If you have any questions regarding our program, please contact us at friends@livinglean.net.au or via our Facebook page.